In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Xero Verify QR code. Ensuring the security of your financial data is paramount in today's digital age. One of the most effective ways to protect your Xero account is by enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, which adds an extra layer of security beyond just a password. In this guide, we'll walk you through the seamless process of setting up 2FA using Xero Verify by obtaining your QR code. First, let's start with accessing your profile settings. Hover over to your profile photo at the top right corner of the Xero dashboard. This step is straightforward but crucial because it navigates you towards the settings where you can manage your account's security preferences. Your profile photo is essentially the gateway to enhancing your account's security. Once you've clicked on your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you need to select the account option. This action takes you deeper into the settings menu where several account related options are presented. The account section is where Xero allows you to customize and adjust various aspects of your account, including your security settings. After entering the account section, look for the option labeled Setup under the two-factor authentication settings. This step is important because it marks the beginning of the actual setup process for 2FA. Clicking Setup indicates that you are opting to add this additional security measure, which greatly increases the security of your account against unauthorized access. Next up, you need to choose Use Xero Verify. This selection specifies the method of two-factor authentication you wish to use. Xero Verify is Xero's dedicated authentication app designed to generate time-sensitive codes or notifications to approve login attempts. Hence, it's crucial to focus on this step for a smooth setup process. The final and possibly the most intriguing step involves scanning a QR code. After selecting Use Xero Verify, a unique QR code will be displayed on your screen. This is where your mobile phone comes into play. Open the Xero Verify app on your mobile device and use it to scan the QR code presented on your computer screen. This action links your Xero account with the Xero Verify app, concluding the setup process for two-factor authentication. Scanning the QR code seamlessly synchronizes your account with the app, ensuring that each time you log into Xero, a prompt will be sent to your mobile device. This prompt requires your approval, thus adding a significant layer of security that keeps your financial data safe from unauthorized users. To ensure a smooth process, make sure that your mobile device has a working camera and that the Xero Verify app is installed and ready before you begin this process. If you encounter any issues scanning the QR code, ensure that your screen's brightness is high enough and that the entire QR code is visible and not obstructed. Upon scanning the QR code and following these steps, two-factor authentication will be activated for your Xero account, providing an extra layer of security every time you access your account. In summary, we've walked through the process of enhancing the security of your Xero account by setting up two-factor authentication using Xero Verify. Starting from accessing your profile settings and navigating to the account section, to initiating the setup process, choosing Xero Verify as your preferred method, and finally, scanning the QR code to link your account with the app. By following these steps, you're not just securing your financial data, you're also ensuring peace of mind knowing that your account is safeguarded against unauthorized access. Remember, in a world where digital security is constantly challenged, taking proactive steps to protect your data is not just wise, it's essential. Keeping your account secure while maintaining easy access is a delicate balance. But with Xero Verify and the process we've outlined today, you're well equipped to achieve that balance. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and here's to a more secure and protected financial management experience with Xero.